your internet browser and go to Bookry's website, which is just bookry.com. It'll take you to this opening up website. Now, normally you have to sign up, create a login, and that's what I did a minute ago. So now I can just log in with my own computer or my own name. All right, so this is the main, main part of the website. It's your dashboard, and up top here you'll see the different tabs that you will use to navigate through the website. Now, Bookry is a great way to do two things. First, you can store your books here, your ebooks or iBooks, and you can create your own iBooks here. And you can also use that as a bookstore, an online bookstore. So we're going to go first to Bookstores tab. Right here, this will show the books or bookstores that you are subscribed to. Right now I am not a part of any, but see, you would have this one and then the second one and then so on after, depending on how many bookstores you are included in. If we click on this, it'll bring us to the Bookry store, and it will show us new books or what we can do from there. Next, we'll go to My Bookshelf tab, and in this it will show the books that you are currently reading. I have not done anything, added books or created any books yet, so this would be where I would use that application. First, I can add books that I'm reading from the bookstore, or I can save and collect the books that I'm writing or have already written. We're going to try to create one right now as an example. So you click on that. Do your book a title. And this will be titled Mike's Crazy Adventure. Create. And here we'll show you your visible book and any widgets you have attached to them, any widget branding you want to create, which will give your book different functions and features. You can use the iTunes U or app link, which will show, what people see when you download your book to be able to be downloaded. Also, it will give you a link for your book. If you want people to read them, you can send this in mass email, text, or any kind of email or text. The next tab, we have Store Analytics. This will show all the different types of stats you will need for your book, to make decisions based on your book. This will show like a virtual calendar. And down here in statistics, it will show how many page visits, downloads, whether, what PDF, iBook, LB, IBA. And at the bottom, it will show your demographics. It will give you language, country, operating systems, etc., which will basically give you a better idea of how you want to sell your book, where you want to, send out your advertisements, and etc. And same thing with book analytics. You will get another great, way to tell how your book is doing, who is it attracting to, and it'll basically give you data for future books. All right, and we're going to go next on author tools, where we can start a new book, which we already did, Mike's Crazy Adventure. You can manage your stores, check out the widgets, template library, and a few other things. All features of part of Bookry. Last, you have your support page, where if you have any questions, you can use this to send, or to create your own feedback or find any questions you have. Any questions that you do have, you will be able to use this last tab over here, Contact tab, and it will be a nice contact form where you can you can send any inquiries or suggestions you have right to them, and they get back to you very quickly, so you do not have to worry about it taking a long time for your comments or your messages to get across to them. And then lastly, we have your page, which if yours would be a little different from mine, unique username, email, password, a little bit about you. You can click on a photo. You can add a photo there, type your name in, and then give a little biography about yourself. And you can add your websites and a bunch of other things that will give you a better account. And in the very last tab is your logout. So if I click this, we will be back where we started in the main page. Well, that was my mini tutorial of the basic functions of Bookry. Now remember, when using Bookry, this is a great way to, once you have a login, store your books that you're reading, or create books and then store created books that you made. You can also create books for this. All right? Thank you very much.